For the DoorDash Revolution. What we want to do today is I'm getting ready to put some oil in my Mercedes Benz 2001 E320. Now I can check it on the dipstick out there, but if it show up on the screen, I want to check it on the inside here, and I want to show those that have these type of model vehicles that you can also check it this way. Let's see, can I turn the screen around some kind of way? Look like I can't. I may have to turn it the other way around. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to turn it the other way around so you can see. All right, I'm putting it in the ignition. Turn it all the way like that there to the second position. And you're going to see service A exceeds 1700. Right here on this left side, you hit that arrow. Hit it again. And it's going to tell you measurement correct. It's measuring now, as you can see. Add 1.5 quarts, ladies and gentlemen. And that's how you are able to check it electronically through the electronic controls of this vehicle. So we just turned it off. And now, what we get ready to do, if you can see me real good now, yeah, you can see me. You can see me real good. Yeah, you can see me. And you can see me real good. You can see me. And this is where we're going to put the oil at. That's the dipstick right there. That's not the transmission area. And this area where I'm going to put the oil at. So this is one of the ways, ladies and gentlemen, that you can be able to check your oil. You can check it manually on this model vehicle, and you can check it electronically. So peace, take care, ladies and gentlemen. This was a little secret sauce that I wanted to share with drivers that have vehicles such as this. We'll see you in the next video.